Finally, this ends today. If you're gone, all my problems are gone.
Enough. I won't let you hurt her anymore. Jenny, are you okay? Did he hurt you? Tell me, are you all right?
I'm okay, Mom. I'm okay.
Thank God, I was so scared.
I thought I was going to lose everything.
No, not anymore. I'm here, and I won't let anything happen to you. Come on, Jenny. We can't stay here anymore.
Yes, it's time to leave.
Everything is finally coming together. Just a little more. Maybe 30 minutes. She's going to be really happy today. I just need to reach on time. No more problems now.
Wait, what's that? I think I need to stop the car.
What is this doing in the middle of the road? Great, I'm already late. I guess I'll have to move this. No, this will not move like this. I should check from the other side.
Who are you?
Don't move. Otherwise, you'll lose your life.
What do you want?
Put the bag down.
I can't. This is everything I have. My life's earnings.
Oh, really?
If you want to live, leave the bag.
Otherwise, start preparing to meet your God.
This is everything I have. Please let me go.
You think that matters to us? Drop the bag right now, or this is where everything ends for you.
Please, I'm requesting you. Just let me go.
Still not getting it, are you? Fine. We'll make you understand the hard way. This is your last warning. Hand it over.
Sounds like the police. Let's move.
Ah, thank God.
Sir, are you okay?
I don't even have the words. You saved my life and everything I've worked for. In today's world, no one risks their life for a stranger, but you did. Thank you. I truly appreciate it.
You don't have to thank me, sir. I just did what anyone should do. I'm just glad you're safe.
Jenny, we should go now. We're getting late. The bus might leave.
Yeah, you're right, Mom. Let's go.
Wait, if you don't mind, can I drop you somewhere? By the way, where are you heading?
We're going to Hamilton.
Oh, really? I'm heading there too. If it's okay with you, I can drop you there.
Are you sure?
You've already helped me so much. The least I can do is drop you. It would honestly make me happy to help you.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. That really helps.
No need to thank me. Come on, let's get going.
Where are they? They said they'd be here in an hour.
Why is her phone still switched off?
God, please keep them safe. That must be Jenny. Please let it be her. Thank God. You both are safe. I was really worried about you. Are you both okay now?
Yes, Aunt. We're okay.
Then, why are you so late?
On the way, we saw a man. Some robbers were attacking him. We stopped to help him. That's why we got late.
You are really brave, Jenny. Not everyone has the courage to help others.
Thank you, Aunt. You always understand me.
All right now, go freshen up and take some rest. Tomorrow morning, come with me to my workplace. I'll talk to the manager. Maybe we can find a job for you.
You've done so much for us. I don't know how I'll ever repay you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You stood with us when we needed it the most.
It's okay, Jenny. Tough times show who truly stands by you. Now, let's go inside.
I know where you've gone. You thought you could hide from me. I'm coming for you, and this time, no one's going to save you.
Learn English with Kylie.